Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an essential element of any server room, the best server rack shelves. If you're looking to optimize your space and enhance airflow, you're in for a treat. This is the Pyle 2PC1U server rack shelf, and it's designed to offer both functionality and durability. Let's take a closer look. This Pyle server rack shelf is crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring it can handle a substantial amount of weight, up to 33 pounds per shelf. It features a vented design that promotes excellent air circulation, keeping your equipment cool and functioning optimally. Whether you're housing networking gear, audio, video equipment, or other tech devices, this shelf is versatile enough to accommodate your needs. Installation is a breeze thanks to its cantilever mount design. You'll appreciate how easily it attaches to standard 19-inch racks, making it a must-have for IT professionals and home server enthusiasts alike. Not only does it mount conveniently, but you can also opt for a wall-mounted setup if you're limited on space. Now, let's talk about what makes the Pyle server rack shelf stand out in a crowded market. Many alternatives out there lack the combination of strength, ventilation, and ease of installation that the Pyle offers. While some shelves might support less weight or have poor airflow designs, the Pyle shelf ensures that both performance and reliability are at the forefront of its design. The vented design not only helps in dissipating heat but also protects your equipment from dust buildup, a common issue that can be detrimental in server environments. By providing this level of care for your gear, you're investing in the longevity of your technology. But how does this shelf perform in real-world applications? Users have raved about its stability, confirming that it effectively holds equipment such as switches, routers, and other hardware with ease. The thoughtful design allows for neat cable management, ensuring your setup remains organized and clutter-free. If you need multiple shelves for a more extensive setup, fear not. The Pyle 2PC pack allows you to utilize multiple shelves across your system while maintaining a cohesive look and structure. It's perfect for businesses that require multiple racks to run their operations efficiently. In conclusion, the Pyle 2PC1U server rack shelf proves to be an excellent investment for anyone needing effective shelving solutions in a server environment. With its sturdy build, excellent ventilation, and ease of installation, it's no wonder it's regarded as one of the best server rack shelves on the market today. If you're looking to streamline your server setup and ensure peak performance for your equipment, consider adding this to your arsenal. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on the best products to enhance your tech experience. Until next time, stay organized and efficient.